KLING 01, they're calling it the Nano Banana Pro for video. Humanoid robots are gonna guard the Chinese border. And ChatGPT turns 3 years old. All that and more is coming up right now. Welcome back to wednesdAI. Today we're looking at the new KLING 01 that just dropped. People are calling it the Nano Banana Pro for video, customizable, editable, lot to it. Let's just jump right in. Now the first thing I want to try is this video edit function where you can apparently restyle and relight and change the scenery and all this wild stuff. Now the restyle, that's where it gets a little bit funkier. So you can do it through text, but I want to try it with the really powerful version where you can do it with a reference image. So the first thing is we need that reference image. So let's get a picture. Because you change this little drop down from video generation to image generation. And then I've uploaded my image and then I'm going to give it the prompt to restyle it. I'm going to say dress the man in image 1 in a full astronaut suit, complete with helmet and visor. And then I'm going to click go. Okay, I don't even need to see the other one. The other one couldn't see the face on it anyway. That's it. We're using it. I've got my video clip loaded. I'm going to drag in my image of the astronaut. And then I'm going to switch up the prompt. I'm going to tell it to change the man in video 1 to the astronaut in image 1. We got our astronaut. Let's see how he's talking. Apparently restyle and relight. The eyes, he's not quite looking at the camera, but it's pretty great. Okay, so not on the camera, the eyes look like they're a tiny bit further apart, and it's doing something funny with the teeth. But it's real close to great. And there's your introduction to KLING 01's video editing features. We would love to dive in and go really crazy and do a full walkthrough of all the video generation tools and whatnot. So if that's something you want to see, leave a comment and we'll get into it for you. And until then, go try it for yourself. And whatever you make, send me the link. I want to see it. Here's what's coming up this week in the news. A new MIT study says that AI could already replace about 12% of American jobs. AI music platform Suno has just struck a deal with Warner Music Group. People are creating and monetizing deepfakes of celebrities and influencers. American federal and state authorities are clashing over who gets to regulate AI. Humanoid robots are going to be guarding the Chinese border at one particular checkpoint. And ChatGPT turns 3 years old. Follow us to get the news every single day on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. And that's the show, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching. We strive every week here at wednesdAI to bring you the biggest, the baddest, and the best from the rapidly expanding world of artificial intelligence. Catch the full show every Wednesday. Catch the news every day on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. If you're doing something cool with AI, we got to know about it. Send us the link. You know how to hit us up. We're all over the social medias. You know how to find us. Hit up WednesdAI.com for the full story. You can sign up for the newsletter and get all of this sent straight to your inbox. Sounds like fun, don't it? See you next week.